This is the live trade which I have taken today, that is 13th December 2022 in this hammer. So and I entered long above this hammer and I booked my profits here in this green candle.
Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trader Chitra. Today we are going to discuss one powerful intraday scalping strategy which we can use in Nifty, Bank Nifty and in stocks too. So before jumping into the strategy, we will discuss what is scalping. In scalping, our entry and exit should be very fast and also we should not keep the trade for long period of time and we should book our profit or loss quickly. And in a day average we will get more number of entry and exit, that is buying and selling opportunities. The time frame we have to use for scalping is 1 minute or 3 minutes time frame. The indicators required are previous day high and low, 21 days moving average and camera pivot point that I will show you in the chart. Now we can see the criteria for buying and selling. The conditions for buying. First criteria is the price should be above the 21 days moving average and also price should be above the previous day high or the price can be above the previous day low. Third condition is price should be above the R3 or above S3. Now we can see the conditions for selling. For selling, the price should be always below 21 days moving average and price should be below the previous day high or it can be below the previous day low and price should be below R3 or below S3. This is the example for the long trade. The green EMA which is plotted here is the 21 days moving average and this yellow horizontal line is the S3. This red line is the previous day low and the green horizontal line is the previous day high and this yellow line is the R3. So we got the buying opportunity above this green candle when the price closed above the 21 days moving average, also price closed above the S3. Again here we got one more buying opportunity as the price is above the 21 days moving average and previous day high and R3. So we got two buying opportunities here. We will see more examples in the charts. This is the examples for the short trade. When you see here, price is below the 21 days moving average. This green moving average is a 21 days moving average. Also, price is below the previous day low. The red line is the red horizontal line is the previous day low and the yellow line is the S3. S3 is nothing but support. So price is below the support and we got an opportunity to enter into the short trade. You will be more clear if I show few examples in the charts. So now we look the examples in the charts. This scalping strategy you can use in Nifty, Bank Nifty and in stocks too. The time frame I have selected is 3 minutes. You can either use 3 minutes or 1 minute, but I advise you not to go beyond 3 minutes as we are doing scalping here. We will see the indicators now. Go to indicators. The first indicator we need is moving average exponential. Here we have the moving average exponential. And the second indicator is pivot point standard. This is a pivot point standard. The third one is previous day high and low. So the previous day high and low by Josh Trades, we have to select this. So we need these three indicators. So now we change the settings of EMA here. Select the settings. Inputs, we need the length as 21 and go to style and I'm changing the color as green in color and click on OK. And pivot point standard, I am selecting the settings. Go to inputs. The type we have to change it as Camarilla here. And we have to select only S3 and R3. So I am unchecking all the other S2, R2, S4, R4. We don't want all these. So I am unchecking all. And I have checked only S3 and R3. And here I don't want to see the price here, so I am unselecting the show prices. I want to select only the labels, so I am checking the show labels and in the style labels and lines should be checked and click on OK. The next one is previous day high and low. Go to the settings there and in style Previous day high, I am making it as green in color as it is yesterday's high, that is previous day high. And previous day low, I am making it as red in color. And we don't want to change anything in the previous day low and high. And I am selecting it as OK. Now our setup is ready for scalping. Usually in technical analysis, previous day low and previous day high will act as the major supply and the demand zone. So this is the yesterday's high, that is previous day high, and this is the previous day low. So this is the resistance. So this green level, which will be marked as previous day high and low, this previous day high can act as a resistance zone and the previous day low can act as the support zone. Along with that, we have added the Camarilla pivot R3 and S3. R3 is nothing but the resistance zone, S3 is nothing but the support zone, and we have 21 days moving average. This 21 days moving average will act as a support and resistance zones too. So when we do scalping with the combination of all three indicators, we will get more accuracy. Now we can see when we entered into the trade and how our trade went. When you see here in this green candle gave a close above the previous day low, that is a support, but we will not enter long here because this green candle is below the 21 days moving average, so we will not enter long here. So we can enter long here in this particular green candle because this candle is above S3. Also this candle gave a close above the 21 days moving average, so we can enter long here. And our stop loss is the low of this particular green candle, so we can enter long trade above this green candle. Once this high is taken away, we can enter long. We will not enter in this red candle because this is a pullback candle. We can enter long here in this particular green candle, and we can, as this is a scalping, we should not keep our trade for long time, as I already told you. So we can book our profits at the previous day high or at R3. As R3 is nearby, we can keep till R3. So this is our first trade, and we can see what is the next opportunity we got on the same day. When you see here in this particular green candle, we got one more entry, and after that Nifty moved up, you can see. So I will not advise you to keep this trade for a long time as we are doing scalping. If you find it the market is going up, you can keep trailing your profits until and unless any red candle is closing below the 21 days moving average. Here you can see. So you can book your profits here. This is a BankNifty chart. The time frame I have selected is 3 minutes. Either you can select 3 minutes or 1 minute. So now we can see where we got the entry for the scalping trade. So when you see this green candle gave a close above the 21 days moving average. Also this green candle is above the previous day low and S3 level. So support zones. So we can enter above this green candle. If we get any green candle above this, we can enter above this. And the stop loss is low of this green candle. So we can see now how the trade is going on. So this red candle is the pullback candle. So this green candle gave a confirmation for us to enter into the long trade. So we are in the long trade now. Now we can see how long this trade went. and price is also going above R3. So we can keep our trade. As the previous day high is nearby, we can start booking our profits or we can trail our profits. So the Bank Nifty touched our previous day high. So we can see how many points we got from here. So we got 125 points in Bank Nifty. So in options we'll get more than like 30 to 40 points. We can book our profits. So we don't want to keep our profits for a long time as we are doing scalping here. Now we can see how this trade went and what is the next opportunity we got. So as this is a previous day high, this area will act as a resistance zone. So here the market was consolidating for a long period of time. So the price is not able to break this previous day high. So market started reversing from there. So we can look for short opportunities. So we can enter into the short trade below this red candle, and the stop loss will be again the stop loss will be again the high of this red candle. So we can enter into the short trade below this red candle. We'll see how this trade is going on. We got a nice move, nice downward move we got. So we can book our profits at S3. See, market started falling. See, from there we got around 280 points. So this is how we will enter into the long and short trade. I would like to add one more point here. If you get any entry opportunities like this, when you see this green candle, you got a long opportunity here, but you see the candle size. This candle size is very small. So your stop loss is very small, but your reward is more. So don't miss these types of opportunities in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And for the short opportunity, if you see here, this red candle also very small, but you see the reward what you got here from here to here. So you got very nice down move here. We can see one more example in Bank Nifty. This green candle gave close above the 21 days moving average. Also this green candle is above the S3 and the previous day low. S3 is like S3 and previous day low will act as the support zones. So if you enter above this green candle, your stop loss will be the low of this green candle. When you see the low is 43,104 and the high of this candle is 43,185. So the stop loss is coming around 100 points. So if you want to avoid this trade, you can always avoid. I advise you to take the trade in the small candle. So your risk will be very minimal. So if you want to enter into the long trade, you can always enter into this green candle. So as this green candle is giving closing above the R3. R3 is the resistance zone. So we can always enter long above this green candle. And we can start trailing our profits. And we can see the previous day high is here. So we can book our profits there, or you can book the profits where we got the pullback here. If you're trading in more lots, you can always book 50% here and 50% you can put the cost to cost. And once we reach the previous day high, we can always book our profits. And here we got the all if we miss this opportunity to enter into the long trade, we got one more opportunity in this green candle for us to enter into the long trade. So our entry will be always above this green candle. Once this high is taken away, we can always enter into the long trade. So as this candle is giving close above the R3 and price is already above the 21 days moving average, we can enter into the long trade. We can keep our trade till the previous day high, or else you can book your profits before that. So our first trade is over here, and after that we will see whether the price is moving above the previous day high or whether we are getting any rejection from the previous day high, because chances are there, chances are more for the price to fall from the previous day high, because that is acting as a resistance zone. So one more thing I would like to add here is, if you are trading in this setup, always when the price is away from the 21 days moving average, you can see this much gap is there. If the gap is more, always the price will attract the 21 days moving average. Price will always high to the moving average. So from there again price is reversing, you can always enter long above that. So we can see here this area, this zone, consolidation happened for a long time, and after that price moved from there. This green candle gave again confirmation for us to enter into the long trade. So we can enter always long above this green candle, and we got a nice up move here. And from there again price moved to the 21 days moving average, and from there you see how much the price moved up. On the same day we got nice trades. We got 3 trades in BankNifty. We can see few examples in stocks. This is Bajaj Finance and the time frame is 3 minutes. So we got a red candle below R3, and but will not enter here. Why? Because the 21 days moving average, this candle is above the 21 days moving average. So we'll avoid this short trade. So we'll wait. Till we get our entry. So this is green candle. So we got an entry below this red candle. Below this red candle is our entry. And the stop loss is high of this red candle. We will see how this trade is going on. So from there we are getting very nice move. After we enter into the trade, we can see that the subsequent red candle broke previous day low. This red candle broke the previous day low. Also, we can keep our target as S3. As S3 is nearby, we can keep our target as S3. We are not sure like how the market will move. So always we can book our profit at S3. So we'll see how the price is behaving. So we can see here in this zone, support zone, the price is consolidating for some time. So now you can see that the price is breaking the S3 zone and price started falling. So after you book your profits here at S3, you can always enter into the second trade. When the red candle is breaking the S3 zone, you can always enter in this red candle. And you can book your quick profits there. And I told you, if the 21 days moving average is very far, price will attract the moving average. So you can see like the price is going, that is retracement, and after that it started falling. Now here the setup is confirmed for us to enter into the long trade above this green candle. Now we'll see how the trade is going on. So we have to enter if any green candle is closing above this level. But you can see we didn't get any green candle above this candle. So we'll not enter into the long trade. So we'll see how the trade is going on now. So now the market is reversing from the previous day high. This green level is the previous day high. I already told you that previous day high and R3 will act as the resistance zone. So we are getting rejection from there. So we entered into the short trade below the low of this red candle, keeping the stop loss high of this red candle. We can see how the trade is going on. So as S3 is nearby, we can always book our profits there, or you can do a quick scalping and you can exit the trade. See, Reliance touched the S3 zone, so we can book our profits here. So once you book your profits here at the S3 zone, you should not enter into the another trade before you get the strong confirmation. So we'll see how the price is behaving at this zone. Now the price is giving a pullback to the 21 days moving average. So we already book our profits as here.
So below this red candle, we will enter into the short trade as the candle is below the 21 days moving average and below S3. We will see how the trade is going on. So price is like consolidating at S3. So we will exit now. Stop loss got hit.
So this green candle, now buyers entered. So this green candle gave the confirmation for us to enter into the long trade. Now we can see how the price is behaving. Above this green candle, we got an entry for the long trade. So price is consolidating here. The low of this green candle is our stop loss. We can keep the green zone, that is the previous day high, as our target. Or else you can book your profits in this green candle. If you are a risky trader, you can keep till this level. See, market touched our resistance zone. From here to here, we got nice up move. We can see few examples in the stocks. This is TCS chart, and we got a short opportunity here above this S3, and we got the target. This is HDFC Bank, and we got the short opportunities here, and also we got the target. This is Mindtree. We got a short opportunities below this red candle, and we got our target. We can see how to avoid particular types of trade. You can see here the price is already above 21 days moving average, and the price is above the previous day high. Price is above R3. So all our conditions are met for us to enter into the long trade. So above this green candle, we can always enter into the long trade. So once this high is taken away, we can enter into the long trade. But what I'm seeing here is the price and the EMA is quite far. So if you enter into the trade, we'll get the target also. But this is quite risky trade, I feel, this because the market is already gapped up, and so the chances are more for the price to attract the EMA, because the price and the EMA is quite far. So we have to always check what the price is behaving near the EMA. When after the pullback, the price gave a pullback to the EMA. After that, when you see here, in this particular green candle, the market gave, the price gave close above the EMA, 21 days moving average. So we can look for buying opportunity above this particular green candle. So what happened is we didn't get any green candle above this high of the green candle. So we'll not look for buying opportunities here.
This is the live trade which I have taken today, that is 13th December 2022. We got the first candle closed above the previous day high and also above the 21 days moving average. I avoided this trade because the price and the EMA is quite far. So I was waiting for the pullback. So I got a pullback exactly here in this hammer. So and I entered long above this hammer and I booked my profits here in this green candle. And I got my second entry again at the pullback where this green candle closed above the 21 days moving average. I entered above this green candle, and once this high is taken away, I entered again into the second trade and I booked my profits exactly at this level because this is a minor resistance zone. So I booked my profit here. Again, I got one more entry here in this green candle because this green candle gave a close above the 21 days moving average as well as above the previous day high. So I again entered into third trade and I booked my profits exactly at the R3 zone. So this is how we need to enter into the scalping trade. We have to enter fast and we have to exit our trades also. Till now, we have seen like how to enter into the scalping trade and when to avoid the scalping trade. I hope this video is useful to you. Please do backtest for at least 1 month and after that you can implement this strategy. And you should always respect your stop loss. Once the stop loss got hit, you have to exit the trade and always you can enter into the next trade. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon too. Thank you friends.